everyone, welcome back to Creative Grassroots. My name's Jen, and today I'm going to give you the update on my cut potatoes. If you haven't seen my last video on how to double your potato harvest, I suggest checking it out. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link down below. Now let's get started. My potatoes have been sitting in a cool, dry space for 2 full days, allowing enough time for the potato cuts to completely heal over. The cuts are smooth and dry. Potatoes grow best in a deep soil mixture that is light, loose, and well draining. Potatoes also prefer a slightly acidic soil with a pH between 5 and 7. They can be planted 6 to 8 inches deep and approximately 12 to 15 inches apart. The potatoes are going to be placed cut side down with the potato's eyes pointing upward. If you have a limited growing space, you can definitely plant these closer together. But the closer they are planted, the smaller your potatoes will be during the harvesting time. Potatoes grow very quickly in warm, moist conditions. A loose, healthy soil mixture and full sun will have all of your potato plants thriving. On average, a full-size potato takes about 60 to 120 days to reach a full maturity, all depending on your climate. Just one single plant can produce between 5 and 10 potatoes. After spacing and planting all the potatoes, my next step is going to be covering. Within a few weeks, I should begin to see the germination process of the potatoes. As the plants grow, it will have to be hilled with soil to help promote and increase a larger yield. But I'm definitely going to keep you updated on the progress of these potato plants as they grow. After covering all the potatoes, my next step is going to be a good heavy watering. Generally, potatoes need between 1 and 2 inches of water per week. But to get these potato plants started, we're going to go ahead and give them a good healthy dose of water. Any questions or comments, go ahead and drop it down in the comment box below. I'm Jen over at Creative Grassroots. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all again next time. Have a great day.